This is a showcase of our CA, Cognitive Automation Platform, that automates analysis of the data provided and automatically generates conversational bots derived straight from customer interactions present in the data provided. At first, we see our homepage, where we have statistics and charts regarding all our interactions with chatbots created. Here we can easily monitor all aggregated chatbot interactions. We then have a recording databases tab that consists of all the data we have uploaded to our platform. We can easily inspect each dataset and view each conversation separately, along with the transcript generated and timestamps during the conversation. We of course need the Data Resources tab, where we have domains, intents, bot steps, etc. Seeing here, for instance, utterance examples for each of the intents that are provided. We have a collection of over 450 predefined intents along with utterances for each of those. All of this is spread across a number of domains, which allows for a greater control over the whole process. Finally, we have a Projects tab, where we can monitor all the projects that we are creating. Each of those could be for a separate purpose, and in the projects you can create the chatbots. The creation process is guided along the way. At the first step, you can choose whether the bot should be created automatically based on the recordings provided, or maybe you want to create it manually from scratch. Here, after providing the name and choosing automated option, we can then select a playlist from our database that will be a knowledge source for our chatbot. The third step is the beginning of our AI pipeline analysis, where we detect intents across all of the conversations, and we also see topics present in each of those. The topics are detected in a zero-shot manner, so no matter what data you provide, the topics will be detected properly. They are automatically aggregated, and to further improve the process, you can manually adjust the aggregation, which will result in a better chatbot created. In the fourth step, you choose all the relevant domains that you want to include in the chatbot that will be created. This human-in-the-loop interaction allows for a better control over what ends up in the graph itself and prevents it from being overly complicated. You only select those domains that will be relevant for your use case. The final, also human-in-the-loop interaction, is a selection of all the topics that should be present in the graph. We provide information about your dataset. For each of the topics, you can see how many dialogues it is present in, and based on that, you can choose the combination that best suits your use case. After the bot is generated, we can select it from the list of all and inspect the graph created. By default, it is displayed in a top-down manner, with parallel steps being spread out to the sides. It serves as a great basis for then further fine-tuning the chatbot interaction to finally deploy it for any of the use cases you might have. You can quickly and easily make all the adjustments necessary and then test the interaction in our chat test window, both by text and voice. Adding any extra steps is also a very convenient process, while having direct access to all the data resources present in your system. Of course, the resulting graph will greatly depend on the data you are providing. It might not always be as simple as the previously seen graph, but it is designed in a way to grasp all the possible dialogue flows present in the data provided. Of course, some fine-tuning is necessary, but this serves as a great foundation for our automated conversational chatbots that are data-driven and reflect what actually is present in the data that you provide.